I'll show you how to create a basic 3D screen effect in Premiere Pro. To add 3D effect, go to the effect and search for basic 3D. Drag and drop it to the video. Then go to effect control, scroll down to basic 3D, and we have swivel, rotate the layer left to right, tilt, rotate top to bottom, and distance to image zooms in and out. Move to the start of the layer and adjust the value. But first, add the keyframes to all of them. Change the swivel, I will give it 15, and tilt to -11. And if you see any black space, change the distance and cover it. Move forward to the end and then adjust the value again. Then select these keyframes and move them all the way to the end. And like you see, we have this simple basic 3D effect. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.